I just wanted to film a quick update for today. I didn't film it all today, but I did make a stop to Fastenal. Bought all new hardware for the mount the tub down to the bottom. There wasn't enough left in good enough condition to be worth trying to save the original stuff. Plus, using all new means that won't be mix match parts and they'll all be the same. Easier to take it apart again. As you can tell, I've also got the rear tub off again. And that's getting ready to paint this thing. Also, in getting ready for paint, we've got the tarp back up again. And got the walls on. They're not as secured down as I want to make them, but I'll finish that off tomorrow. I'm going to stick the propane heater right about there tomorrow. Blasting some heat in here. Hopefully get it up hot enough for paint. Be a little nicer to work too. And yeah, just go over everything with the wire wheel. Clean it off. Then spray it down with some Rust-Oleum. It's not the paint that I wanted to use. I have Pour 15 to put on, but I don't have the preparatory stuff or the time to get that stuff in to do it right. So I'm just going to throw some paint on there now. It'll be better than bare metal. And either later this winter, if we get a Indian summer or whatever it's called, where we get a week of 60 and 70 degree weather, I might strip it down again and do the paint up real nice and correctly. Or just wait until spring. I am not sure which way I'll go. But, oh, before I go, I do want to show you this. I still need to weld in the other outrigger for the fuel tank, but I've got this one welded in. I've actually welded all three sides. You can't really see because of the lighting. But that's nice and secure now. Now sit there. So yeah, that's where I got today. I'm pretty pleased with my progress. And paint tomorrow and start reassembling. I'm a thinking. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all that jazz if you like what I'm doing. If you don't like it, let me know what I should change. Oh, and speaking of which, what should I do? Should I wait and film these short updates and that way I keep getting a consistent upload every day? Or should I wait until I get a good pile of video up and put together a bit longer video with a whole bunch of stuff with more in it? Because I really hate doing the, episode 27 of trying to get this thing done. But I also want to keep you guys in the loop with what's going on. I like uploading regularly. I like uploading daily. But if there's not much progress or not much film that I've captured, I'm sure I even bother trying. Let me know in the comments. Now, if you like what I'm doing, like, comment, subscribe, all that jazz. Feel free to check out any of my other videos. I got a whole smorgasbord of them. And if you really like what I'm doing and want to help me keep making more videos like this, check out the Patreon link in the description. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.